Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a lanyard hook. We're going to go ahead and make this in inches. So go ahead and open up Design Spark Mechanical if you're following along. Go to New Design. Go over to File, down to Design Spark Options. Navigate over to Units and change from Metric to Imperial. Okay. Now, and change this here to Plan View. Now I have a little sketch here that I'm going to use as a reference. So we're going to go ahead and bring that in. We're going to rotate it. Go ahead and full size this. I'm going to make this lanyard maybe like, I don't know, 3 inches, something like that. Or actually, this is probably a good size right here. Yeah, we'll go ahead and make it this size. So go ahead and click delete on that. Okay, so what we're going to do is go ahead and put a line in the middle here. So go ahead and get your line tool. Let's go from this line here straight down. And then go ahead and select the click off. We're going to right mouse click on that and set as mirror. And then we're going to start drawing our construction here. Let's move this over a little bit, about to there. Okay, first we're going to get the line tool. And you could actually start here. It doesn't matter, we're going to trim this off, so it's probably better to start here. So we'll go ahead and put this first line here. This is going to be 2.763, and it's going to be at 11.5 degree angle. So go ahead and enter and select the click off. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and draw this piece in the bottom here. So go ahead and get your line tool. We'll go ahead and start there. Now we're going to go ahead and put a line in there, 0.799 inches, and it's going to be 24.6 degree angle. So go ahead and click enter, and then click on select to take it off. Now we're going to get our tangent arc right here, and we're going to go ahead and click here, and we're going to drag this over. This is going to be 0.707 inches at 108.1 degree. So we'll click and then go ahead and so now we have this part in here, and what we're going to have to do is turn off this mirror line to do this piece here, because this is obviously not the same on the left as it is on the right. So we're going to go ahead and double right mouse click on the line and take off set as mirror. We're going to grab our tangent arc, and then we're going to come from somewhere. You don't have to come from here, come from down here a little bit. Actually undo that. Let's go from the end here, we're going to go ahead and round that over. So it's going to be 1.196 inches and a 98 degree. Go ahead and click. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put this one in here. This one's a little different because we're going to be using this line here as a reference. So we're going to go ahead and get our offset curve, and we're going to drag this over let's go 0.090. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and let's continue up with that line. So we'll go ahead and click on the line here and just drag straight up 0.916 at 180 degrees. So it's there. Now we're going to go ahead and get our create tangent arc, and we're going to go from here right about here. Actually undo that. Let's go a little bit farther back. Let's go from there. Undo that a little bit farther down, right about there. Okay, so that's going to be 1.226 inches at 105 degree angle. Okay, so go ahead and select the click off. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and trim, get our trim away. We're going to trim away this line here. Then we're going to trim away. Let's zoom in, so Control plus. We're going to go ahead and add a line in here because we need to trim right here. So just go ahead and click there and then drag it straight across. Let's get our trim away. So we're going to trim away this piece here. Trim away this. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now trim away this piece here, or actually undo this piece here. And then trim away that in the middle. Trim away these on the inside. Now you're going to add, let's trim away that little piece there. So now you're going to get your create rounded corners. And we're going to go from here over to here. 1.544. Okay. Same over here. 1.544. Okay. Let's go ahead and control. Let's get rid of this drawing now, or move it out of the way. Let's get rid of this piece. Okay, this is going to be our lanyard hook, so Control plus. So what we're going to do, what we need to do now, we'll go ahead and get rid of that. Go to your isometric view. Go to your 3D mode. Now we're going to drag this right here. You're just going to drag a little marquee around that so that glows. Okay, now what we want to do is get our rectangle tool. And we're going to go define from center. We're going to turn off the snaps if we have those on. And we're going to click there. And we're going to just drag kind of straight up there. And we want this to be 0.062. So type in 0.062 and then tab. We want it to be 0.2. Let's go with that. Or actually, let's go 0.15. Okay, 0.15 is good. So now we're going to have to actually, that looks like it's offset a little bit. So undo that. We're going to keep it this size here. Let's Control plus. Let's go ahead and pan down. We want to offset it a little bit. So let's go get your offset. Let's move this down to 0.032 and then move one up 0.032. This is better here. So now we're going to get trim away. We'll trim away these little pieces here. Okay, now go back to your 3D mode. Now we're going to go ahead and click on go to pull. We're going to click on this. We're going to go over here to this sweep. And then we're going to click, triple click till everything is selected. Not sure why it's not getting that piece there. Let's hold down the control key. And then we're going to go ahead. Oops, something happened there. Okay, go to pull. Click on that. Go to this one here. For some reason it's not clicking on all of them. So just go ahead and hold down control. Get all of these. And go ahead and go full pull. See, it's variable selection. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Let's spin this. I don't see there being a problem here. But it seems to be a little bit of an issue. All right, let's try this again. Go to pull. Click that. Go to this sweep. Let's go to pull. Let's pull there and see what happens. Okay, that went halfway. And the problem seems to be right here. Let's see if we can continue that. Let's go ahead and spin. Let's go to pull. Let's pull that. And then go to this one and grab these here. Okay. Not sure why I did that, but that's okay. It It should have moved all the way along the thing there. Control minus. Okay, this is going to be our lanyard hook. One thing I might do is kind of pull this down a little farther. Let's go Control plus. Let's pan down. Go ahead and go to pull. Let's pull this. It's a little farther down, maybe like 0.05. Okay, so one more thing I'm going to do is go ahead and then we'll go. Let's get rid of our line there. You don't need it. Okay. Get rid of this one. Okay, now what we're going to do is click Control minus. Let's go ahead and get these. Okay, now we're going to go pull. Control plus. We're going to put a little fillet in there. We're going to go 0.02. Okay, now we're going to do the same on the back side. Spin this around. Pull 0.02. Okay. Spin this. Let's Control minus. Got to get these pieces over here, the bot. Let's get that one. Type in 0.02. Okay. Go ahead and spin this. All right, let's Control plus. I'm going to pan up here. I'm going to put some fillets on here so these corners aren't so sharp. So click till everything's selected. Let's type in 0.01. Okay. That's pretty good. Now we'll do the same on this one here. Go to pull. 0.01. Okay. Probably going to put one on here too. So let's go ahead and pull 0.02. Let's pan up. Let's get these here. .02. It's not pulling that 0.02. Okay, there's that one. 0.02. 0.02. Unable to round. Let's spin this. Why can't I round that? That's the question. 0.02. Click off. Let's grab that one. It's not wanting to round that one right there. Maybe it's because that line is there. Nope. All right, let's undo these. Let's do a few undos to get rid of that inner. I'm just going to leave it. So what you got here is a lanyard ring. You got some fillets on the outside. On the inside one, we're going to leave them flat. And then you have some fillets here so they're not sharp. Control minus. Go ahead and go to the top view. Okay, this is going to be our lanyard clip. It's about 3 inches tall. That's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed watching and you got something useful out of the video. And as always, thank you for watching.